catfish and mushroom pepper soup or light soup. Let's do that. Let me show you how I do it. Now add your washed catfish, add salt, seasoning cubes, pepper soup spice, crayfish. I'm gonna add my mushroom, add the remaining crayfish, all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna add water. I'm gonna add my veggies. I will allow it to cook before blending. All my veggies. I'm gonna allow it to come to a boil before blending. This is how I secured my garlic and ginger so that it doesn't disappear. Might as well foil it, but this is how I do it. Now I'm gonna cover and allow it to come to a boil. Now I'm gonna blend the vegetables. Take it here. I'm gonna blend and save it. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna rinse it. Now you can keep this and blend in your tomato stew or anything. I'm gonna add pepper, stir a little bit. You guys, this is all goodness. And add curry leaves and some spring onions. I'm gonna cover and allow it to cook for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and it's done. All done. This is so good. Look at that. That goodness. I'm gonna off the heat. It's gonna go down with rice. White rice. That's goodness. It's gonna go down with rice. Rice, rice, rice.